If you're looking for a way to shred Photoshop files permanently, this video will provide you with a detailed solution. Part 1. How to shred Photoshop files permanently via Coolmuster Data Erasure. Coolmuster Data Erasure securely shreds files using 3 methods, ensuring Photoshop files cannot be recovered by any data recovery software. Below, we will discuss each of these methods in detail. 1.1 Via File Shredder. Use File Shredder mode to securely delete specific PSD files or project folders without affecting other content on the drive. Step 1. Open this tool on your PC and choose the File Shredder module from the left menu. Step 2. Click the Add File button to browse and select the specific Photoshop files you want to erase. Alternatively, click Add Folder to include the folder containing your PSD images. Step 3. Then, click Erase Now and confirm by selecting OK in the pop-up window. Your Photoshop files will be completely shredded. 1.2 Via Drive Wiper. Use the Drive Wiper mode to completely erase all Photoshop files and data from a hard drive or external device, ideal for selling or repurposing. Step 1. Launch the software and select Drive Wiper from the main interface. Choose the local disk or external drive where your Photoshop projects are stored. Be cautious, as this will erase all files including software and documents. Step 2. Pick an erasing level, Quick Erase or Deep Erase. The Deep Erase level adheres to the S.DOD 5-22ME standard, performing 3 overwrite passes. Step 3. Then, click Erase Now and confirm by selecting OK to start the deep cleaning process. 1.3 Via Free Space Wiper. Free Space Wiper overwrites unused disk space to destroy deleted Photoshop files, though they may still be recoverable. Step 1. Open the software on your computer and choose the third tab, Free Space Wiper. Select the drive from which you want to erase deleted PSD data, then choose an erasure level. Step 2. Click Erase Now and confirm by selecting OK to begin the process. Your deleted files will be permanently removed. Part 2. How to shred Photoshop files permanently using system commands. Native system tools can help delete Photoshop files, but they're less secure than specialized software like Coolmuster Data Erasure. 2.1 On Windows. Windows Cipher command can overwrite free space to permanently shred deleted Photoshop files, while the del command can delete and overwrite files directly. Here are 2 effective methods to shred Photoshop files permanently on Windows. Method 1. Using the Cipher command for deleted Photoshop files. Step 1. Press Win+R, type cmd, and hit Enter to open the command prompt. Step 2. In the command prompt window, type the command, Cipher W, your fill path. Replace your fill path with the path where your Photoshop files were stored, for example Cipher W, D, Photoshop files. Step 3. Press Enter to execute the command. The system will overwrite the free space in the specified path with OS 1 second and random data, which shreds the residual data of deleted Photoshop files permanently. Step 4. Wait for the command to finish. The time depends on the size of the free space. Once completed, the deleted Photoshop files can no longer be recovered. Method 2. Using the del command for existing Photoshop files. Step 1. Open command prompt as an administrator. Step 2. Type the command, del fsq yorps fill path. Replace yorps fill path with the full path of the Photoshop file you want to shred permanently, for example del fsq d, Photoshop files design, cd. Step 3. Press Enter to delete the file. The F parameter forces deletion, S deletes files in subfolders, and Q disables confirmation prompts. Step 4. To ensure the file is shredded permanently, follow up with the Cipher command method 1 to overwrite the free space where the file was stored. 2.2 On Mac. Mac's built-in terminal commands like serm and shred can permanently shred Photoshop files by overwriting the data. Method 1. Using the serm command. Step 1. Open terminal. You can find it in Applications Utilities, or use Spotlight search by pressing Command plus space and typing terminal. Step 2. In the terminal window, type the command, serm rfv yorps fill path. Replace yorps fill path with the full path of the Photoshop file or folder you want to shred permanently, for example, serm rfv users your name desktop Photoshop seasons. Step 3. Press Enter to execute the command. The R parameter recursively deletes folders, F forces deletion, and V shows the operation progress. This command overwrites the file data multiple times, shredding the Photoshop files permanently. Step 4. For higher security, use the command, Surmes Yorpsfo path, which follows the DOD 5.2.20.2m standard 3 passes of overwriting to ensure the files are irrecoverable. Method 2. Using the shred command. Step 1. Open terminal and type the command shred uz yorpsfo path. Replace yorpsfo path with the path of your Photoshop file. Step 2. Press enter. The U parameter deletes the file after overwriting, and the Z parameter adds a final overwrite with zeros to hide the traces of the erasure. This command will permanently shred the Photoshop file.